Good morning, children. Today we'll start with our subject GK, chapter number 18, 19, Clean Trains and the Great Wall of China. So today we are going to discuss about this. Children, you know Swachh and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. I think everybody know about this. Under this Abhiyan, regular cleanliness programs are planned and executed at all railway premises. What is the aim of this? The aim of Indian Railway is to clean and hygienic toilets, cleanliness at stations and trains, improving drainage, planting trees, and organizing public awareness programs. These all are aim of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So, in this, first we see clean trains. The clean trains. In this lesson, we'll discuss about the equipment used or effort taken by Indian Railways to improve the standard of cleanliness and hygiene in trains and the railway station, and we will see what are the facilities are provided to keep the train clean. So, vacuum cleaner, clean my coach, bio toilets, onboard housekeeping schemes, mechanized laundries, these all are the equipment used to keep clean train. So let us see. Mechanized laundries of Indian Railways have fully automated front-loading washing machine, steam drying, iron machine, automated soap, detergent dispenser system, water recycling and softening system, etc. Railway staff also collect and dispatch the washed linen at racks. This service is meant for improving the quality of washing of bedsheets, towels, blankets, and pillow covers to make them germ free. Next service is onboard housekeeping service. It's provided to facilitate cleaning of coaches during run of train itself. The OBHS includes scheduled cleaning of coaches twice in a day and unscheduled cleaning at any time on demand of passengers. This service has been introduced in Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Duronto, and other important long-distance trains for frequent cleaning of coach toilets, doorways, and passenger compartments during the running of train. Next service is vacuum cleaner. To keep the railway tracks clean, trains can have a vacuum coach that will clean up the track that the train passes through with zero human labor. The coach has an attached vacuum machine in the bottom that sucks in all the garbage present on the track. This service uses equipment to clean cobwebs, garbage on the floor, dirty seats, etc. on the compartment floors on regular days. Next is biotoilets. Biotoilets are decomposition mechanized toilets which decomposes human excreta waste into organic matter through the biological process of composting. Indian Railways big steps towards sustainable cleanliness. Hence, the mechanism of biotoilets help in the sustainable management of solid waste. It has a colony of anaerobic bacteria kept in container under the laboratories. that converts human waste into water and small amount of gases. The gases are released in the atmosphere and the water discharged after chlorination on the track. So, isn't it beneficial, children? The next service provided by is Clean My Coach. In this service, a passenger can send an SMS to 5 triple four sorry 58888 if the coach is dirty. The passenger's request is immediately acknowledged and the message is sent to the onboard housekeeping staff along with coach details to get it cleaned. For this, you have to enter your PNR number and mobile number in a form of available on the website cleanmycoach.com. So, how to send an SMS to a number? You have to send a SMS to a number 58888 by typing clean space 10-digit PNR number. Okay, children? So, keep this information. It is beneficial for you. As we have discussed all benefits of bio-toilets in train, the Indian Railway currently use toilets in train in which human waste is dumped directly on the track. This makes the environment unhygienic and the waste matter make the track dirty. The Indian Railway has set a target to install bio-toilets in all coaches to ensure the entire rail network as zero discharge zone by 2019. So, isn't it a good news? Our next topic is the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the world's longest human-made structure. It is more than 2,300 years old. It is one of the seven wonders of the world. You know the fact about China and India. The relation between China and India are nearly 2000 years old. The Silk Route served as a trade route between India and China. So the connection started from Silk Route. Okay, children, and it is from 2000 year long. The Great Wall of China was built by various Chinese dynasties for protection against attack from foreign invasions. It is approximately 21,196.18 km long. The wall is made up of series of walls that were later joined together. These walls are collectively referred to as the Great Wall of China. The entire wall is made up of stones. These all things are used to make a wall. The entire wall is made up of stones, bricks, earth, wood and other material. So you can see children, here are the picture which used to make the wall of China. The most famous section of the Great Wall of China is in Badling, near Beijing. This portion was built by Ming Dynasty, is 8,851 km long. It is made of bricks and has many watch towers. Nearly one third of this Great Wall has disappeared. The northwestern section of the Great Wall is likely to disappear in the next few years due to the desertification, and natural calamities like heavy rains and storms. So, because of this, day by day, the wall has been disappearing. Over 10 million tourists visit the Great Wall of China every year. In 2009, 180 kilometers of previously unknown sections of the wall concealed by hills, streams and rivers were discovered with the help of infrared ranges finder and GPS devices. In 2015, some more sections believed to be part of the Great Wall were discovered. Okay, children, so here we will get a clear idea about all these two lessons and hope you understand these two lessons. Okay, so questions are given in quiz time, so try to solve it.